What up, what up, what up, everybody? It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Welcome to today's episode. Sorry, just got to hit up this girl. She keeps asking me, when am I going to see you again? I can't wait to see your portfolio. I'm trying to tell her, I have a lot of women asking me, Mitch, I want to see your treasure. Do you really have 10,000 ADA? I do. Anyways, she's going to have to learn to calm down. But anyways, what we're going to do today, after you like and subscribe, very important, is we're going to be talking about how I would build a $10,000 portfolio. So we're in 2023. It is January 18th. If you haven't seen the video already, I did a $1,000 budget. I'm not telling you to buy these coins. I'm not telling you to get out and go out and do these things. This is just what I would do. Okay? Because I'm Crypto Moose and you're not. I just want you to know that. It's not a bad thing. It's just we can't all be a moose, right? So, after you've smashed the like button and commented which coins you love the most, then you can proceed and watch the rest. If you don't do that, then we're going to have a problem. And you don't want to have a problem with the moose. Okay? So, let's get into it. Let me say one more thing before we get started. I'm wearing a suit for you all. This is a serious episode. Okay? And we're going to be using US dollars, not the Canadian dollars, not the monopoly money here in Canada. So, pen and paper. If you can't afford a pen and paper, you probably have a phone, which is way more expensive. So anyways, we're going to put $10,000. I'm going to try to do this under 10 minutes. Bitcoin, of course. We have to allocate some dollars to Bitcoin. We have $10,000. We don't want to lose it. Now, mind you, this is a short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Specifically, more of a long-term approach. I'm thinking buy and hold for 5 years. This is what I'm doing, what I would do. Not telling you to do this, but this is what I would do. Okay, don't sue me. So Bitcoin, and we don't want to over diversify. USDC, stablecoin. And if we are capable in the future, I would do USDA, which is going to be Cardano stablecoin. I think I would trust it more. Next is Ethereum. We should have some. Next is ADA, Cardano. Next, we got to put a bit of Matic on here. I love Matic. Matic is a beautiful side chain, right? They're helping out Ethereum with their scaling. They're going to be great. We got to put a bit of Copy, bit of Meld. What are we at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need one more. Maybe 10. Maybe 10 total. So let's look at CoinMarketCap. Make sure we're updated. Let's see. So we can kind of do this on the fly. Let's just start throwing numbers. This is what you want to do. Get a pen and paper, start throwing numbers, and it starts to make sense. Bitcoin, I think we should be 20%. So that's 2,000, right? 2,000. I'm keeping these numbers simple. So again, USDA if possible. Stablecoin. We need to protect our money. So we got to put $1,000 there. We just do. First rule of money, do not lose all the friggin' money. Ethereum. You got to be $2,000 Ethereum, I think, right? Maybe we'll just have enough to get about a coin. 1,500. Cardano. I'm most bullish on this. I think this is going to do well. I'd be 3. You know what? Yeah, 30%'s a lot for 10,000. You know what we're also going to do? Because you can stake it, and that's a lot of money, I think. USDC will do, it's a stable coin, right? It's pegged to the US dollar. Let's put $2,000. You could earn a yield too, right? So you could earn 4 to 5% in 1 year. Same with Cardano. You could stake it. Ethereum, we're not even going to stake it because only God knows if you're going to get your money back. Matic. We have to have Matic. We have to. Let's do 1,500. You could also stake that for sure. You can stake it in the Crypto.com app. I'm not telling you to do this. Do this on your own measure. Just watch the video and learn. Learn and earn. Learn and earn, baby. Matic, you can get like 8%. Let's put 6 just to be certain here. Kopi, cornucopias. Beautiful project. Let's see the numbers. We're at 4, 7. So we're at 10,000 already, I think, actually. Yeah. That's 4, 7 plus 3. That's 10,000. Running out of money, folks. Ethereum, we're only going to do $1,000. Here we're going to do 500. $500. Meld will do another 500. And take away 500 from Matic. Beautiful. 2,000. 5,000. 5,000. That's 10 grand. Look at that. I did this in 5 minutes, really. 5 minutes. That's why they call me the Moose. Okay. Now we got 4 minutes to apply this to paper, from paper to digital. So we're going to go into our portfolio. CoinMarketCap.com. Create an account. We're already up $2. We're up $2 on our other video that was out, hopefully before this one. But we have a $1,000 budget. Okay, we're up $1 now. I'm going to stop watching it. So anyways, create an account, CoinMarketCap, create portfolio. We're going to put in all of the tokens. So we're going to call this our 10K portfolio. Very easy to do, right? Completely free to do. So we'll click that. We'll add new. Bitcoin. We need to have $2,000 worth of Bitcoin. What is that? What is that number? 01? Okay. We're just going to try to estimate this. So about 2,000 there. Okay, so we have 10% of a Bitcoin. Is that 10%? I think so, yeah. Okay. So we have USDC. USDC. Okay, one of my favorite stable coins. I don't really have any, but that's because I'm crazy. So we'll do $2,000. Boom. So we only have 6K left. What else would I add? Ethereum. We need $1,000. So we could do 0.9 ETH, 0.7. So 0.69 ETH, 6.7. So we'll do about 0.65, right? We're just trying to get the numbers close, right? We're off by a few bucks. Who cares? Again, when you're buying these crypto tokens, you're going to be buying it with your dollars, and it will tell you how much you're getting back. So we're just doing an estimate. We're getting very close, though. Okay? Don't worry about perfection. It doesn't exist. So ETH. We also have ADA, one of my favorites. ADA. So 3,000. So what is that? 10,000 coins almost, right? Yeah. So we'll do 9,000 coins roughly. Okay. Maybe 9,500 coins. All right. So 9,100 coins gets us about right there. Boom. So we're at $8,000. We got $2,000 left. We got to add some Matic. Matic Kopi Meld. Okay. So Matic. We're doing $1,000. What is that? 1,000 tokens? No. Almost. 1,100? No. So we'll do 1,080, 1,060, 1,055 tokens. Beauty. That's why they call me Crypto Moose. So now we got Kopi and Meld. Cornucopias, great gaming project. Great gaming project. So we have what? $500 to allocate there? Not that much. Let's do 3. So we have 30,000. That's so cheap right now. Meld. We've got just under $500 left. Let's not go over budget, but let's get it close. So we've got roughly, so 460, 470. We got about $470. So $470. We're close. So 450, that'll get us pretty close. There we go. Boom! We're off by $1. Oh, we're perfect. Boom. Guys and girls. That's why they call me Crypto Moose. I'm a stud of a guy. I got a perfect suit. I'm mathematically nearly perfect. Look at that. 9,996, 94. So let's say we locked it in. We bought at 10,000. Let's see where we're at in the future. Comment down below if I made the right picks. Meld, Kopi, Ethereum, Matic, USDC, Bitcoin, Cardano. Look at that, 10,000. We're up $3. $3 already. Now we're down. All right, don't look at the market. 30% Cardano, 20% Bitcoin. So effectively, we're 40% really the safe stuff, what I would call the safe stuff. But again, that's a lot of money to lose. 10 grand, you don't want to lose it. I'm at the point where I got millions, and I can't lose it. I have to imagine how much stress I have to deal with having that much in crypto. It's unbelievable. People calling me every day, Mitch, can I have 10,000? Send me 10,000 Cardano. Like, guys, leave me alone. It's unbelievable. So that's where we're at. And it looks like we would have bought the dip. So this is a very easy way for you to track your portfolio. We did this in 12 minutes, the whole video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know, please. Comment down below if you think I made the right moves. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Mitchell Bouchard, also known as Crypto Moose. That's our portfolio. And we will see you in the next episode.